distance to make a difference has let me save into your hands in this life.